I am Sarad Yadav, student of class 11, and I am here to represent my thoughts and ideas. The provided image is a hand-drawn poster or chart that illustrates the themes of the Viksit Bharat initiative. The central idea of the poster is the goal of a developed India, Viksit Bharat by the year 2025, which is depicted in the center of the image, surrounded by the four key pillars of the vision: sustainable environment, education of all, science and technology, and the economic growth. Viksit Bharat Vision. Viksit Bharat or Developed India is a national initiative aiming to make India a developed nation by 2047. Or coinciding with the vision encompasses economic prosperity, social progress, environmental sustainability, and good governance. The strategy involves infrastructure development, social welfare, economic growth, and sustainable development, with emphasis on participation from youth, women, farmers, and entrepreneurs. Sustainable environment. The poster imagery of a house with solar panel and a wind turbine reflect the initiative focus on environmental sustainability and renewable energy. India aims for a net zero carbon emission by 2017 and is already a major player in renewable energy. Particularly, solar key initiatives included green finance promoting sustainable practices like waste to energy conversion, empowering communities in environmental preservation and engaging international alliance for clean energy. Education for all. An open book in the poster symbolizes the importance of education within the Viksit Bharat vision, which aims to create an empowering education system. The National Education Policy (NEP) 2020 guides this transformation, focusing on universal access, including education for all, skill development, aligned with industry needs, and integrating technology to bridge the digital divide. Science and technology. A rocket launch in the poster signifies the central role of science and technology in the driving innovation, sustainability, and self-reliance in the Viksit Bharat vision. Efforts include creating S&T clusters to accelerate research and commercialization, supporting igneous technology development through Atmanirbhar Bharat and leveraging digital platform for the governance and service delivery. Economic growth. The poster rising by graph represents economic progress with the Viksit Bharat vision targeting significant economic growth by 2047, aiming for a project 30